this is Ryan with UMI, and we're here at Good Guys Columbus, where we're racing our 72 Le Mans and our 79 Monte Carlo on the autocross track. And both these cars feature our Corner Max kit, which features extreme front end grip. And we're here doing some testing today, and we're going to show you what it's all about. So we're here with our Corner Max kit. Our Corner Max kit is designed to address the three big alignment: caster, camber, and toe. And we do that with upper and lower A-arms that come with the kit, front sway bar, improved spring rates. We use a UMI adjustable monotube shock, bump steer kit, and then we gain spindle height with either using a tall spindle or we do tall ball joints in the kit. With the tall ball joints, the tall spindle, we're changing roll center in the car. We're adding a lot of caster, we're correcting bump steer, and our future kits are going to have some Ackerman angle changes. One of the real unique things about this kit is the lower A-arm that comes with it. The ball joint is actually moved forward so we can add caster but maintain a centered spindle. And we have a quick release shock and spring setup, so you can quickly change springs at the track. If you want to change springs or shock, you can basically unbolt the A-arm, pop the shock and spring out. We did a spring change yesterday in less than a half hour on both sides, and that gained us an extra second on the autocourse track doing that.